Hello, guys. I have this cute little doggy right here. Yes, he's a keychain. You can put your keychain. If you don't like him on the keychain, just take him off. And follow and like and subscribe. It'll help me to grow my channel. And yes, he's a cute little doggy, isn't he? You say like, subscribe. And yes, you can follow in the description below to be able to get him. Basically build a 3D print on your little printer. He's printed on gray plastic, and if you want, I just I'll put in because them are just markers. I just markered them, and that's all I did. Red marker and a black marker. That's all I used. And yes, I have just a plain old 3D printer. Basically, I can do one color at once. You can see in my main thing. It's a really good 3D print. I'll put him away for later because I got a lot more prints to do. And I got other prints I'm doing right now. But man, I'm cute! And if you want, and the original designer, yeah, whoever makes it makes a lot of different ones. I think it's a female. But it's a cute little doggy you can put on a keychain and have on a hand. Otherwise, see you next time, and see you in my next 3D print. And yes, Mouser likes to sit up here sometimes, or go over there for his food. It's just so the dog doesn't eat his food. That plate is not for me, it's for the cat. The doggy comes over, and yes, it's not like the dog's not fed. He gets tons of treats. Bye for now. See you next time.